room tour kat Ibis Kota Baru. Let's go. Please come in. So masuk je, kita ada one hallway. All your light switches are here. So showing your aircon. Have a long mirror here for you to get ready and all. Then over here we have this sink. So it's an open concept. You punya sink, so you boleh hang your laundry here, get ready everything in front of this sink here. Then you have everything senang lah. So kalau you nak bersiap and everything, with all your toiletries are siap kat sini. Ada face towel. There's some wardrobe I guess over there at the top. But all this space you can utilize. Put your toiletries here, siap-siap. After that, kalau you minum air and everything kicah-kicah, you can straight away wash. So they have a two concept here. Satu shower and one, so your toilet is so tarik, open. Shower you have to push. Yep. So yeah, there's a rain shower and then your handheld shower. And then we have some slippers safe over there, and then your luggage rack, ironing board. Then go in a little bit, and kita ada TV, and then we have the bed. We got ourselves a queen bed. Ooh, that's interesting. First time ever. Al-Quran. Is it an Al-Quran or tafsir? Wow, Masya Allah. It's Al-Quran. Yep. Only in Ibis Kota Baru. And we have here, what do we have here?
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer.
I'm sanitizing my phone
Oh,
inside.
cool. Alright. So we have a small desk table, relaxing chair.
See?
So over here, not too sure what kind of view we have.
Pool view.
Oh, we have a pool view. Interesting. So we are at what floor?
8.
8th floor. But why the rest look like a resident?
Ada resident juga.
Oh, apparently there's residents attached to it.
Tu yang valet tadi.
Interesting. Okay. And all these complimentary amenities are interesting.
Yeah.
You have prayer garments, baju, baju solat. Tahu baju solat pula, telekung lah Your prayer mat, sarung, toothbrush. Nice. And they're all folks Ibis Kota Baru. Hey seberang, what's over there? We are here kat Pasar Siti Khadijah. Pasar Besar Siti Khadijah di Kota Baru, Kelantan. So we are here to jalan-jalan, cari makan, cari baju, cari kain. Maybe cari emas?
Belakang ni banyak kedai emas ni. Sepanjang-panjang.
Yeah. So it's a very warm and sunny day here in Kelantan as always, because we are in a tropical country. So kita nak masuk Pasar Siti Khadijah dulu, tengok apa yang ada yang buka. So they are famous for their fresh produce. Banyak kain-kain, banyak kuih-muih, banyak makanan sedap. So yeah, very old this pasar.
Tak nak lalu sini.
Lalu depan. Very old this pasar, but I think is the, orang kata kalau sampai Kelantan tu, sampai Kota Baru tu, tak pergi Pasar Siti Khadijah tu macam tak sah lah. You are not there in Kelantan yet. So kita jalan-jalan. So you see here. So kat tengah-tengah tu ada tempat kereta boleh jalan masuk to cut through the pasar. So on the other side there is the fresh produce. Kat sini macam tempat diorang punya kain-kain. So you see there. Dah start tu. Ah, boleh? Jalan je. Ah. So, yeah. Entrance je. Pasalnya macam bulat-bulat sikit ya.
Ni banyak gol juga.
Ha?
Nak pergi baju ke nak pergi gol? Ni banyak gol.
Oh, okay.
Ni banyak.
Nanti sama buah-buah. Ada buah apa? Tusuk. Oh, nice.
Saya ada dua ni. Kalau desain besar tu, desain yang besar dengan gambar makro.
Oh, makanan-makanan je. Sedap. Lauk dia.
Mi celup ni yang mak Hua cakap tu.
Oh, ya. Rasa kena tuang bawang kot.
Dia tak campur. Kisah ni.
Ya.
Kisah tak campur ya.
Tak tau. Kan.
Masing-masing batik ambil.
Kalau beli serunding ikan tu kita boleh kasi kerabu kan nanti. Betul.
Boleh je. Nak jalan mana? Jalan je. Oppo ada nak beli mata biru? Tak. Ada. Berat tadi.
Berat. Dia ni lengan lagi.
Oh, yang tutup tu ringan sikit.
Ni berat lagi.
Oh.
Kalau nak masak ni lah lagi macam lagi empuk.
Kita jalan dulu lah.
Okey, saya jalan dulu Terima kasih.
Baik. Oh yeah. Copper? Is it copper? Tembaga kan tu? Tak? What is tembaga guys? No, it's not chrome. Okay, kita cari tangga. Tangga mana? Tangga. Alright, kita cari tangga. Ni tangga. Tangga. Dah jumpa. Kita naik tangga. Try nak cari baju-baju. Finally, kita jumpa baju-baju.
Tapi janji tangga best. Tangga.
Sengku sendiri.
Ah,
Tanah putih.
tanah apa you nak cari?
Tanah putih boleh. Yang mahal tau, yang biasa-biasa je.
Biasa dia nak makan ini.
Ha.
Kita pergi kedai kat Nasar.
Dua ke patut I beli? Dua.
Ada sampah ni memang dah.
Ni lelek pun ni campur macam pink sikit dah. Kalau ni betul-betul lelek lah. Betul-betul ni dia campur sikit. Nah, tengok macam ni. Habiskan lah.
Ni.
Ni. Ni.
Ambil rempah yang goreng nanti dia campur bawah. So dia campur lagi dalam. Itu yang secret recipe dia.
Ada secret recipe guys.
Apa yang dia tunjuk bukan tu je. Dia campur. Jadi. Tengok ni ada.
Ni gulai darat
Gulai darat. Nampak dia campur ni, campur. Ni RM5. Tu RM6.
Balik tambah garam lah.
Garam lah.
Tengah juga blend bawa abuk-abuk tu. Marinate dia lama lah. Dengan darah ni kita tambah kerisik.
Tengah tu.
Simpan dalam peti ais dah. Dah lama setahun dalam peti ais.
Oh, okey.
Berada di kedai sebelah 316. So sekarang kita berada di Lace House opposite Nagoya. Okay, Nagoya. So kakak nak cek kain broket. Kain broket macam gini. Oh, cantik-cantik ya. Meter 40. Okey je datang. Diorang pun boleh ambil tempahan, tapi kedai dia semua tempahan dia kena hantar kedai. Very nice tu kain-kain kat sini. Kan cantik kan? Kain lace je. Pretty. Ni kain broket. Macam kain timbul je, kain songkit gitu. But this is printed. Or maybe the sun. Gitu. Baru nampak colour dia. Cantik Lace House.
Okay, this is Kelantan, the road of Kelantan. It looks like Thailand sebenarnya. Ialah negara jiran kan, so adalah pengaruh dia tu, the influence. We are now heading to
Pasir Mas
Kelantan. Sebab tadi kita borak-borak dengan kakak yang kita beli kain. Dia kata tempat situ murah sikit. So kita nak check out lah. Kita kan nak blend in with the locals. See you at Pasir Mas. Classic house. Ada classic car. Sate baung. Sate dia. Nasi kerabu Azma. Ni kakak yang kita beli kain tadi recommended by local. Oh, look at the queue. Beratur. Awak. Tengok orang bungkus banyak.
So I thought ini tapas, tapi sebenarnya ni macam lontong kot. Putih. This one is macam serunding.
Serunding? Serunding kan gula melaka?
Campur. Dia kelapa. Kelapa.
Oh.
Kelapa.
Dah siap, dah sampai.
Apa? Ada juga.
Nanti.
So it's manis-manis serunding gitu.
Manis-manis serunding. Ordered sate 10
Sate warisan.
cucuk. Sate warisan kampung
Cuma ada
Baum.
air. Ayam goreng kasih susu, ikan, serunding ikan, ayam ulam, ayam 2 ketul, kita minta 2 ketul. Yeah. So orang cakap makan kena gaul lah. So you gaul them together, then you eat them. So I just rasa dia punya ikan. Tasty. Mesti sedap. Sebut kan?
Sehat belaka. Nasi sayur-sayur je.
So for you, kita tak nak makan banyak, so we are sharing the plate. Kau makan.
Okay. Rasa ikan kuat lah. Memang rempah dia lain ke rasa?
Milder, dan bumbu dia lagi pedas.
Nak makan dengan kopok? The correct way makan nasi kerabu, kita tambah keropok. Okay, we added solok lada, benda penting.
So nasi kerabu mesti ada nasi, ikan, kelapa, ulam dia, solok ada. Ayam goreng. Kalau ada lemak bakar lagi, dengan kopok.
Jaga jarak ya. Risau jatuh cinta. Number 2.
So sekarang kita berada di Swarin Jinda, Cafe Swarin Jinda untuk makan malam. So bagi kita ada banyak pelbagai makanan yang anda harus cuba. Kita nak cuba tu apa, dagang Imam Menangis juga kan. So there's one. Probably we just get 3 dishes only lah. So kita pun macam kenyang juga actually. Oh, so apparently they have the somtam special. So wow, there's somtam kerang, strawberry, senle, goreng, buah, salmon, macam-macam. Then of course the miang pla, miang seafood. Wait, they got roti Bangkok. So pretty. The pulut mangga. See that? Pulut mangga. No. It's alright. Wow, recommended menu. Donut udang. Looks like buddy. Thai crab omelette. That's interesting. Keting ayam. Oyster omelette. Wow. Tom yum. Tom yum je ada putih, ada merah, ada clear. Maybe we can get tom yum just to irop-irop je.
Ni apa lah? Dia banyak sangat. Ni macam menarik. Tak pernah try.
Tom yum putih. We can ask what tom yum is there. I think that is tom yum platot kot.
Okay, tanyalah.
Or there's tom yum tom kha campur. Santan. Dia ada tak santan?
Okay.
Can we get the putih one? Clear one. You want clear? Clear or putih? Okay, we're gonna get the clear tom yum. Get one clear tom yum. Daging harimau menangis. Lemak bakar. Tak ada? Perut bakar? No. Next time So yeah guys, if you come with more people, more things you can try. So we're just gonna get that. Wow, they got ada full set, ramai.
Ni lah, makan dulu.
Oh, set golok.
Ni saya nak makan dekat BE Cafe tu. Macam ni.
Oh, we're gonna try that at the cafe. Nice. Okay. Wait till the food come, okay? Looks like we're gonna repeat this place also. There is nasi goreng daging harimau menangis. There's nasi goreng ketam. Oh, that's interesting. And you see the menu for air really is in Thai. Cabang guys, cabang. Dah ada teh madu, alamak, teh madu. Teh madu ice cream baby. Wow. You see the drink, sparkling drink kat bawah pun menarik. Very convincing. Ooh, the chai tea. Looks good. Okay, we're gonna repeat again. So we'll try, we'll see how the food goes. Very nice environment, lots of spaces. Meja sekali duduk boleh je muat 150. You can serve for big groups. So right now we are sitting for about 6 person. Boleh je tambah lagi 2 kursi. And the meja is spacious, not those small meja. This one bangsa you letak 2 pinggan besar nasi back to back pun boleh bersusun lah, no problem. So very nice. Ada solat, ada surau. Very nice vibe.
Ni datang lain order ni. Kerabu ini kerabu ikan salmon, kerabu udang mentah.
Yeah.
So, ada yang kerabu campur tadi, betul? Seafood campur.
Oh.
Yam ruam pala.
Tu yam ruang tala. Oh,
Nampak
kerabu
dia tak?
seafood campur. Okay, okay. Nampak.
Next lah. Ni mas.
So what we did today, kita tak buat apa-apa pun. We just lepak pergi pasar tadi. Pasar the whole day. And then we walk around Pasar Siti Khadijah. Very nice place. There's kedai kain, there's kedai lace. She was looking like what I mentioned. We were looking for some kain, and the kain are quite promising, and jarang nak jumpa around here. So, yep. I would say the kain a bit pricey, but worth it lah. Susah jugalah nak cari macam what's that, kain brocade gitu, yeah. Then I got myself a samping tanah putih, first time tanah putih. So I got the average one, which is tenunan mesin. So if you get the tenunan by hand or by tangan, will be a little bit pricey. Of course, with quality comes price. So yeah, the one that I got is not too bad, affordable, I would say. Then after that, there's makan-makan ringan. We got some popiah gemuk, very nice. Last time I think during Raya this year, popiah gemuk was in season. So the serunding banyak gila dalam popiah simple tu. So for the price that we paid for, not too bad. But we haven't opened, we haven't tried, so we're gonna try that later. So later tonight after dinner, what we're gonna do, not end the day yet, but we will do some laundry. That laundry has been a while, for maybe 2-3 days laundry, sekali laundry. So sekali laundry, usually we assume on an assumption that laundry tu dalam macam sekali cuci for 10 kilo or 14 kilo item, maybe is 6 ringgit, and then plus drying maybe 6 or 7 ringgit. So 10 kilo worth of laundry for 14 ringgit. Why not, right? Kita buat. So in Kelantan, Kota Baru, where we are staying, kita duduk hotel. We didn't stay at the, we didn't try the Airbnb. We wanted to try the hotels over here. So we are staying at Ibis Star Kota Baru, and then after that we're gonna stay at Perdana Kota Baru, right? Perdana Kota Baru, yes, correct. So we're gonna stay there. Then after that, then we end our trip. Yeah. So for now, while we wait for the food, kita enjoy the atmosphere di Kota Baru, Kelantan, Malaysia. Right, so kita punya somtam goreng kau. Inilah nama dia, somtam goreng. Oh, betul.
Tak sangka besar RM7.
Iya, 17 guys. Banyak ni. Oh. Okay, I think the highlight is, aduh, asal lah, seram lah tengok dia punya gadget. Dia apa? Highlight je ni. Tom yum ni, nampak tak tom yum? Oh. Kita tak pergilah makan tom yum merah, kita cuba tom yum putih. Oh, bau limau. Inilah kuat. Bau limau purut. Ini limau ni. Bismillah. Lupa Bismillah. Masak, pedas, masin. Manis tak adalah. Ini mungkin ada kot, manis seafood dia. Dia sedap.
Sedap dak.
Oh, salah.
Sedap dak.
Sedap dak.
Dak.
Doa. Sedap doa. Lalu orang buat somtam tu, dia letaklah kuah dia kat atas kan, dia potong-potong. Atau mangga lah, dia sayur. Lepas tu letak, ada situ. Itulah. Kentang goreng ni ada, I think ni sengkuang. Then after that dia letak udang. Udang. Dia sotong goreng. So kuah dia kat tepi ni, dia letak limau, tomato. Okay. Sedap. Something different.
Nantian.
Bagi yang mau menangis. Oh, sudu gapu siap lah. Sudu gapu kat tepi tu saya ambil sendiri je. Pelik. Kita ni makan lauk je, tapi tak semestinya kita kena makan lauk pakai tangan.
lagi.
Sabarlah. Saudara apa je kat dalam ke kat
Tu
luar?
je.
Oh,
Tapi dah dulu like kena ambil sendiri lah kan.
saya pergi minta ya. So yep. So now off we try the daging Imam Nangis. Oh, the daging. Very the shabu-shabu like. Okay, we try without the sauce first. Sedap. Nipis. Masin. Dia pakai ikat masin.
Ya.
Ikat masin ni terlain sikit. Kita ada. Oh. Ada je. Nampak tak? Dia bukan cili. Bukan macam sambal ke sos suka ke apa. Macam probably they use the budu from the nasi kerabu one. Then they make it to the
Maybe you prefer this one, kuah ni. Cincang kuah ni boleh?
Tak, dia sedap.
Ya.
Yeah, because the masin and the manis from the kicap on the daging Imam Nangis mixed with the cili pedas. Power. Sedap doang.
Let's make our own drink dan dessert lah. Cabang Ang semalam kan. Ni dia buat sendiri. You dapat selasih biji selasih ni. Ni cincau. And the air. Tiba-tiba you jadi barista. You suka cincau tak? Tak riskan Okay. Then the tea. Dia tak manis sebab the ice semua dah cair. Tak. Lalu I beli manis. Tak haru lah sekali je. Lepas tu dah tak order dah.
Dia tiba rasa macam mocha. Actually I think it's because of the gula. I think orang pakai gula brown sugar kot. Brown sugar ke, gula melaka ke, gula karbon ke apalah. So it tastes that milky lemak. But I don't know if maybe can do better is the punya cincau is like Project Jelly punya cincau. And lubang straw ni pun tak cukup besar. Tengok.
Ikan tu dapat
Dah
kecil
besar.
kan?
Mungkin kena haluskan sikit lah because they chop. Diorang tak buat dadu, dia buat cubes lah. Instead they could have like slice it. Slice halus sikit maybe better kot. That's why nanti dia cakap kan dah kasi sudu, makanlah pakai sudu. Tapi bila you stick with the Project Jelly, got I everything inside your mouth. Oh, power. So like what she said just now, because just now they serve this cabaang in separate. Everything is you make your own drink yourself. So you order, don't kasih ingredient. The drink come in this bottle cabaang. Then the cicau they pack in a silk bag, small silk bag with the biji selasi also silk bag. Then they give the ice inside this. So when she make the cabaang, the dessert itself, dessert slash drink, dia punya ice dah at least a quarter dah cair lah. So because of that, dia macam give that very balanced taste. But I guess originally the air itself is quite sweet.
Ya.
Yeah.
Itu sebab dah ada ais tu dah cair.
Yeah. So it's good that either you bila nak makan, you pour everything, lepas tu biarkan, tak boleh makan terus. Biarkan kasih ais tu cair at least 5 minutes, baru you makan. Then maybe you will enjoy it better. Otherwise you say, cabaang potong kaki. No, that's not the way. So let me bring the outro from Swarin Jinda. So dia terus spacious. Swarin Jinda Cafe. Thank you Swarin Jinda Cafe. Love the food. Any final words for the night?
So good. I rasa kata mimpi sedap dia. Weh, tom yum kan 7 jenis 8 jenis. Makan kedai tom yum macam 3 jenis je kot.
Yeah.
Ada santan putih, katok apa? Latok lah, apalah. Memang kena repeat lah.
So
Dia ada tom yum siakap weh. Yes.
alright.
Lagi bukan besok, malam lagi satu. Besok
So-
kita bagi relax dulu.
I guess tonight we call it a night.